Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make oval crochet. To begin, you'll want to chain an even number of stitches, perhaps 10 or 12, depending on how long you want your oval to be. Then, work single crochet stitches down one side of that chain. When you reach the end, you'll create a smooth curve by placing several, usually 3 or 4, single crochet stitches into the very last chain. Finally, continue single crocheting up the other side of your initial chain, mirroring your first side. Now that you've completed the foundation, let's move to shaping the first round. After working up the second side of your chain, you'll place 2 single crochet stitches into the very last stitch of that straight side. This helps to begin the curve. Then, work single crochet stitches along the straight edge you just created. When you reach the next curve, place 2 single crochet stitches in the stitch just before the curve begins, and then continue with single crochet stitches around the curved end, ensuring a smooth transition. To make your oval larger, you'll need to incorporate increases, but only at the curved ends. In each subsequent round, you'll typically work 2 single crochet stitches into a few specific stitches along each curve. For example, you might place 2 single crochets in every second stitch of the curve. It's crucial to maintain regular single crochet stitches along the straight sides without any increases to keep those edges flat. The exact number of increases per curve will dictate how quickly your oval expands in width. Once you've reached your desired oval size, you can complete your project. Continue working rounds, increasing only at the curved ends until the oval is as large as you need it to be. When you've finished your final round, fasten off your yarn by cutting it and pulling the tail through the last loop. Then, carefully weave in any loose ends using a yarn needle to ensure a clean and professional finish. Your beautifully crocheted oval is now ready for use in a variety of creative projects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.